So happy Freedom Day to everyone here in South Africa. Look, the essence of freedom is actually decentralization, right? So what you should be doing is spending your public holidays, your weekends, building the life that you want, not escaping from the one that you have. And we're spending our public holiday today playing games, decentralized games that are actually built on blockchain technology. So welcome to Decentraland. It's one of the highest ranking metaverse projects out there at this very moment in time. So having a look at Decentraland, first you need to, in order to get started with this, right, you need to either download the MetaMask extension for your Google Chrome browser or use the Brave browser, which I'm currently using at this moment in time. Download your MetaMask, install it, get logged in. Once you are logged into your MetaMask, you simply visit decentraland.org. We're going to have a look at, let's see, within Decentraland, you can look at the marketplace. This gives you an indication of what you can do within this platform. You can buy items, you can sell items, you can create your own items, you can list them, you can buy land parcels, you can sell land parcels, digital real estate. So Decentraland is essentially the first ever virtual world that's actually owned by its users, allowing you to explore it, allowing you to lose yourself in an amazing evolving world, exploring lands that other users have created. You can also test the limits of your imagination by creating scenes, creating artworks, building challenges, and creating these social games that other users can utilize, allowing you to earn an income as well, trading virtual assets, digital assets. So once you're on this, you basically click Start Exploring, or you click Get Started, and it's then going to log you in. You can download it for Windows if you want, but we're going to explore on the web at, during this session. Let's wait for this to load. Close all these other tabs. You can log in as a guest if you want, or you can log in using your wallet. I am going to use my MetaMask wallet because I've already got that little set up. So you click MetaMask. This will then take you or open up the MetaMask extension, and they need to communicate with each other so that it knows you are the one entering this. Click sign in. You can create multiple different wallets within your MetaMask that you can use for various games and stuff. Let that log in, let it all sync up. Let's close that. Okay, so this usually does take some time. And then once this is all set up, page unresponsive. Let's click on wait. Okay, so let's see, downloading the latest version of Decentraland will be up and running in a few seconds. That's the mana token. That's the icon for the mana token. So while we're waiting for that, let's quickly look at CoinGecko, CoinGecko.com, and we're going to take a look at the mana token, right? So I just want to show you guys something here quickly. MANA, it's the Decentraland token that you can use within the platform. This token is currently sitting at $1.85 now. During the last bull run, right? During the last bull run, this token reached its all-time high of, I think, $5 to $6. Let's just wait and see here. All-time high of call it $5. $5.12, right? So now you can basically get a 5x if this has to happen again. It could go all the way to $10 as well, right? It's currently sitting at $1.85. If it reaches $10, that's essentially a 5x return. The return that this coin has generated thus far is over 9,000%. The market cap is, we're looking at 2 billion, which is the market cap for this token. They have a circulating supply of, I think, 1.5 billion. Total supply 2.193 billion, and they are fully diluted at over 4 billion. So taking this, dividing it by the max supply and the circulating supply will give you what it's currently valued at this moment in time, right? So now, if you want to get involved without playing the games, buy the token, hold it for the long term, 3 to 5 years, there's some money that can be made. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice. I'm basically telling you what to do or what I have done and how I have speculated on this token and its economy. So Decentraland, right, here we go, teleporting within this metaverse. I've got my avatar created already. Let it load its scenes, download the images, the 3D models, and the sound. We 95% there. So there we go. That's my avatar. Now I can move around using the arrows on my keyboard. All right, so let this just sync a little bit. Okay, there we go. You can use your mouse to scroll around and to view what's happening within this metaverse. Using your arrow keys, you can walk towards various things. You can have a look at what they have on display here. If you would like to enter any of those scenes, those are games. These are events. There's an event happening live right now. You can join that event if you would like. And on this one here, there are games here as well that you can play. But what we're going to do is we're going to go down and teleport ourselves through this portal, spacebar to jump, and we're now going to enter. Oops, I'm beaming up again. Let's jump off this quickly. Okay, let's do that one again. And as soon as we land down, all right, we are out. So now I can scroll around, I can talk to the bots that are within this platform. They will then guide me on what I need to do. And we can then exit this. Let's exit this. Where's the door? Where's the door? Is that the wrong side? Okay, that's the wrong side. Someone else just beamed down in here as well now. So you can connect. It's a social community, right? So you can connect with other people and other players within this ecosystem. Make friends, build connections, build relationships. Let's see. Exiting. There's someone else here now, so I can chat with that person. I can add them as a friend, and we can create a good community. That's what it's all about. Let these doors open. There we go. We are out. Now let's have a look. We can have a look at various things. I am going to have a look at or enter this little device. So there's sort of a elevator taking me onto a platform that allows me to view what is happening around Decentraland. I can jump off at any time. So let's see, I want to jump off here. Okay, and now I would like to enter. Let's see what's happening here. So this is what a metaverse is essentially is. So within this metaverse, there's various NFTs. This avatar that I've created is an NFT. The clothing is an NFT. The shoes is an NFT. The glasses that I'm wearing is an NFT. The land parcels are all NFTs. And you just got to get used to how the whole system works using your mouse and your keyboard to maneuver around the space. There's a bot here that you can speak to, and they will tell you what this is all about. Now, if you have NFTs that you have purchased and you own land, you can display or create an art gallery where you can actually display your NFTs. This is the builder. So if I click on this here, E, it's going to say with 90,000 parcels of land to fill, creating content needs to be fun and easy to enable mass adoption. So in April 2018, the builder was launched, a visual tool designed to make content creation simple. Head on over to builder.decentraland.org to get building right away. Okay, so that's what this is all about. You can then start building using that builder and sell your items to other players. So yeah, that's essentially it. This is what we are getting up to on Freedom Day here in South Africa, exploring Decentraland, building decentralized metaverses, connecting with other people in the decentralized communities. Because as I said, decentralization is the ultimate freedom. So I do hope you guys have enjoyed what I shared here, and I look forward to creating more content like this that will explain to you what's happening with Web 3.0, NFTs, blockchain-based games, and how you can earn a living by immersing yourself within this technology. So have a good day further.